This AliExpress battery tester can check your battery health, cranking power, and charging system, and even print the results. But is a $50 to $100 tester actually accurate? This is the UNI-T battery tester. There are actually two versions of it, one without a printer and this one with a built-in printer. Functionally, they are the same, but the printer version lets you print test results immediately. Inside the box, you get the tester, the cables, and a small roll of thermal paper for printing results. Now let's test it on a real car battery. First is the battery health test. You start by selecting the battery type. You can choose between regular battery, AGM, EFB, or gel. Then you select the battery standard. In most cases, this will be EN, but you should always check the rating printed on your battery. After that, you enter the battery rating, which is the starting power listed on the battery label. The tester then analyzes the battery and shows several results. It displays the state of charge, the state of health, the actual cold cranking amps, and the internal resistance of the battery. At the top, it also gives a simple conclusion like good battery, recharge, or replace. If you press enter, the tester can print the results instantly. Next is the cranking test. For this test, you simply start the engine while the tester is connected. The device measures the voltage drop during starting, the cranking time, and evaluates if the starting system is working properly. The third function is the charging system test. With the engine running, the tester measures the charging voltage from the alternator. It then asks you to increase engine speed to about 2,500 revolutions per minute for around 5 seconds to check the charging system under load. After that, it shows whether the charging voltage is normal or not. One nice feature is that you can either print each test separately or you can print all the results together, which gives you a full battery and charging system report. The price for the basic version is around $50, while the printer version costs around $100. If you're interested in this tester, you can check the link in the description. For a relatively affordable tool, it can give you a quick overview of your battery and charging system condition.